Welcome to my channel. My name is Silynthia, and I am a mom who's trying to get her family to financial freedom. I have a part-time job. I also have an Etsy shop with I am Cassie J, Budgets and Blogs. She is on YouTube. Our shop name is S&C Budget Creation. I will link that shop down below. 1 second.
Subscribe.
Sorry about that interruption. Yes, so I'll link the shop name down below if you're interested in taking a peek at it. Also, I am Cassie J, Budgets and Vlogs did make a savings challenge for the month of August. It is a freebie. I'll link it down below so you can grab it if you're interested as well. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and cash up my micro mini binder. It's just little mini savings challenges, really quick hits. What I'm stuffing today is 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 bucks. And I do need to change these 5s out so that way I can throw my 1s in there. And hopefully I'm still in frame with this. I'm going to go ahead and pull my savings challenges out. And these savings challenges are from Weekly Budgets. They're very, very cute. They were freebies. So, I mean, of course, I love the freebies, so that worked out perfectly. So this one needs a lot of love. Do you think you will do that for us? 2 didn't get anything the last time. Oh, yeah, last time 2 didn't get anything. I don't remember which position it was in. Anyway, I do want to let you know that this money is, once it's completed, it's going to be $30, I believe I calculated, and we are going to, my sons and I, are going to do something fun with this $30. That's what I figured. And in case you're wondering, where the heck did you get money from? How? Actually, I have a couple of co-workers who needed transportation. They needed a ride. They live nearby. So I got a couple bucks from both of them. So, I don't know if it's going to be a thing. I mean, I'd like to, have the money. I'm not going out of the way to, where I'm wasting gas or anything like that. So, anyway, if I was, they gave me gas money. And I just saw this. I have a K-Buck. And we're not going to cash stuff the K-Buck into this savings challenge. So that takes us down to $13. And that's just going to have to be the way it goes. This one looks like it has $5. Let's count it up and see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, and we'll go ahead and put a $5 bill into this savings challenge. And this one has $5. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. Okay, so we've got all the dollars here that we need to get started on the savings challenge. I'm actually pretty excited about this. I don't know how I'm going to maintain this micro minis because it's only been extra money that I've come across, not, from my paycheck or anything like that. So, crap. How are we going to do this? One's already fully funded plus 1. Should I just leave it and then we'll add more money to it? Or should we take it out? I think we're going to take it out because the chances of us getting this one, some money, will be better. Because I want some money in that one, so we'll see. Okay, sorry, I'm not prepared. I don't have a plan. This one is completed, so we're just going to set it off to the side. It's not in play, but we have 1, 2, 3, 4. If I roll a 5 or a 6, it does not count. So, let's do this. 1. Okay. On the map, 4. 4 is completed. 6. Okay. 3, 2, 4. Alright, come on, 1, 3. I should have put that one in a different position. 4. I should have put it in 4. 6, 4. Oh my goodness, come on, 1. There you go. Okay. We need be able to get out there and spend this money. 6, 3, okay. 1. Good job, 1 coming through there. 3. Okay, we have one more roll here. 1. Okay. Good job. My K-Buck, like I said, we're not stuffing it in here. Alright, so 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, so the last time I did this cash stuffing, I did go over these cute little savings challenges. What they say, they're mildly inappropriate is what I said, but they're so stinky cute. I just could not resist actually using them. So, you know, that's how this goes. And I saw some other freebies that she had made. I might have to get my hands on those as well. I'm going to link her channel. I believe she has an Etsy shop. Weekly budget. All right. What did we get here? I don't even know what I got here. $1, $2, $3, $4. We're going to color 4 twatsicles. All right, so we need 2 more to complete this one. So if they give me gas money tomorrow, I mean, we could, you know, be back here again. All right, put this money in there. Okay, that one still needs work. All right, so this one was actually number 2 from today. And we are adding $1. So let's color in 1 cherry. This should be $4. Let's count it up and see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, so this one needs 2 more as well. Okay, so I mean maybe we could really finish this, and I mean a little bit more gas money, transportation money. All right, and this one was number 3 from today, and this one is definitely completed. We're adding 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're going to have a little bit more money than the $30, it looks like, which I'm completely okay with, because the more money we have to enjoy ourselves, the better. And I don't even remember what I said. So 1, 3, 4. So it is plus 3. So the next time we play this one, I think we won't have it in rotation because it is, where is that money going? Because it is completed as well, and then that way I can work on finishing the rest of them. That in there, this in there. Okay, completed and completed, yay! All right, so the last one we have here, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I guess technically I could have been finished, but I think it's better this way. I don't know where my blue Sharpie, dried out Sharpie is, so we'll just use this one. So we've gone ahead and added 1, 2, 3, 4, it was 4. Okay, so plus 3. So it'll be a little bit more money, and I like to see it. I guess technically I only need to I need $4. But the way this is working, I'm going to have to, I don't know, the way this is working, I'm going to have to think about it, how I'm going to work these last 2. Because I don't want to just cash stuff. I'm going to try to complete the savings challenges. You know what I mean? And this one, I can't say it was my favorite because I love them all just the same, but this one was so stinking cute. I think that's why it's giving me such a hard time. Why it's not coming through and being completed. Okay. All right, so we've gone ahead and completed our micro savings challenge. And just because I have that K-Buck out, I don't want to save it for another savings challenge or stuffing or something like that. Let me grab my letter bucks. One moment. Okay, I've gone ahead and grabbed my letterbuck binder. We're going to add this K-Buck into, I believe, here. Yeah, because I have 3 K-Buck envelopes. There's supposed to be 25 in each one, but I haven't counted. I need to actually work on that. But for now, guys, that's it. I want to thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. All of the things that can keep us connected, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Feel free to check out SNC Budget Creations. Like I said, I will link it down below. That's it for now, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.